Hi guys, so we are back, and firstly we'll be making a hexagon out of a cardboard or carton if you have. So here I'll be teaching you how to make a hexagon, perfect hexagon, so you don't make any mistakes. Firstly, make a circle with the compass of the size you want to make the hexagon, and keeping the same angle marked in 6 places from the previous place. Now we'll be joining them. We'll be making lines with the scale, as you can see here. Similarly, you have to make out 6 hexagons for the mold, and here I have 6 paper strips which have some plastic wrapping on one side so that they don't soak water. And now we'll be covering the cardboard with the tape so that it doesn't absorb water and just remain on the top. And here I have 6 of them ready to go, as you can see here, and all the 6 paper strips which have plastic lining on one side so that it doesn't absorb water, thin plastic lining. And now we'll be folding the paper strips along the lines made according to the size of the hexagon. And now we'll be attaching the paper strip to the hexagon, as you can see here. And now we'll be sealing all the edges so that the cement does not seep out, as you can see here. Carefully seal all the edges. And here it's ready, all the 6 of them. And now we'll be working with the cement. Add little water at a time so that you have a slightly thick consistency. You can add more if you make a mistake in adding water, as you can see here. Here you can see slightly this type or somewhat thicker if you like. Well, be quick as it hardens with time. And carefully, with the help of spoon, spread out evenly in all the places, as you can see here. Make the layer up to 1 centimeter thick. And here you can see I am doing the second one. You have to be quick if you have to add some effect like some marble effect with some color, and be sure to tap it out to even it out in time. And now we'll be adding some paint to give that shiny marble effect. You can use acrylic colors or some other paints. As you can see here, don't use watercolors, and just make some swirls here and there to give any desired effect, as you can see. And for the final thing, just tap it out in time before it hardens, and we'll let it sit for 2 days and hope for the best. And here are the coasters. Now we'll be coating them with a layer of Fevicol and water in equal proportions. Make sure to spread it out evenly in all the places, even the edges, as you can see here I am doing. We'll be applying 2 or 3 such coats, and then we let it dry for about 2 to 3 hours. And here you can see it's all ready. Look at its beautiful marble effect. The white and silver combination is really great, and I'll be doing more, and I'll be gifting it to my friends, and you can also do so. And you can also try this and share with me, and I'll be sharing it on my Instagram stories. And if you are still not following me on my Instagram, then here upside is my Instagram handle at Creativityaura. Then do follow me and share with me the pics of all the beautiful coasters that you make. Till then, I'll be leaving you with all the pretty visuals of how I use it and how you can do so the same. Thank you.